It's Kurt Hake again. This video shows the upgrades that I made to the quiz app that I built in React Native. I made several upgrades this time. I added sounds that play for right answers and for wrong answers, and I added a third screen to show results once the quiz is completed. I also made it so that quizzes automatically reset when completed rather than endlessly looping through the questions. And then finally, as a bonus, I added an additional Bible quiz category for fun. To show the new features, I'll actually use the new Bible category since it has more questions in it. Alright, so when I get a correct answer, it makes the sound. And if I press a wrong answer, it makes the sound. So now I'll go through and finish the quiz. So then, yeah, as you see here, once each question is attempted, you're sent to a third screen that shows the final score. And then if we go back, like this, you see that the quiz has been reset so that the new score can be displayed properly. It's starting us from the first question, and our score's gone back down to 0. Unlike the app before, where it would just send you back to the first question and you'd already have your full score and you could just keep adding to it endlessly. Anyway, now I'll show the new code. Alright, so new files that were added include the sound files. Let's see, where are those? Up here, inside the assets. And then I also, of course, added the new screen, which I called result. And then also another data file. I added Bible 1 with those 6 new questions. Okay, so then inside the index.js, I just had to add the basic information for the new screen, like right there and over here, just the third screen results. And then in quiz index, all I had to do was just add the Bible to the scrolling list of quizzes. I chose a purple color for that. So then obviously the majority of the important new code is in quiz and results, since those are the 2 screens that had the most new upgrades. So in quiz, I imported audio from Expo AV and created 2 sounds, one for correct answers and one for wrong answers. And then the file also needed a way to navigate to the third screen. So I'd find navigate right here, and then made it so that the app automatically navigates to the third screen once the last question is answered. I also had the correct count reset, so that if the user goes back to the quiz, they can't keep answering questions indefinitely, and just adding to that score. Note that I actually reset the count after I navigate, and that's so that I can display the final score on the third screen. Now that screen result is obviously entirely new, although a lot of the code is similar to the other screens. I mean, some of the styling is different, like I made the text bigger and closer together and changed the background color. Anyway, then based on the number of correct answers and the total number of questions, it displays the final score. And that's the bulk of the changes that I made to the code to make all those upgrades. So, thanks for watching.